Now come to the next page, page number 31. Singular word ending with P, T, K, F or TH are made plural by adding S and their pronunciation is S. Like map, maps, mat, mats, peak, peaks, proof, proofs. Here you can say single word ending with P, T, K, F, TH. इनमें भी क्या होगा, S से एंड कर ही बनेगा प्लूरल. ओके, जैसे मिथ, मिथ्स, कप, कप्स, हार्ट, हार्ट, हार्ट्स, पाथ, पाथ्स और एस का साउंड आ रहा है स. ओके, नेक्स्ट सिंगुलर वर्ड एंडिंग विथ एस, एस एच, जेड, सी एच, एस ई, जी ई आर मेड प्लूरल बाय एडिंग ई एस एंड देयर प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज आई जे. लाइक ब्रश, brushes, rose, roses, z साउंड इनका आ रहा है. चर्च, churches, z, is, ages. So you notice कि here also we are adding s or somewhere es, but the pronunciation is z. Okay, next rest of the word which are made plural by adding s have pronunciation z. Like boy, boys, job, jobs, bulb, bulbs, film, films, girl, girls, tin, tins, eye, eyes, song, songs. So somewhere you notice the sound is giving s or somewhere the sound is giving z. Okay, here you can see so many singular and plural for your practice. You can say man, men, man, mean, guide, guides, woman, women, woman, women. Okay, activist, activists, place, places, vehicle, vehicles, leader, leaders, body, bodies, hand, hands, child, children, rat, rats, car, cars, villager, villagers, firefly, fireflies, lamp, lamps, traveler, travelers, rope, ropes, instrument, instruments, company, companies, teacher, teachers, group, groups, hunter, hunter. So students, you notice कि in this boxes, in these boxes there are everything is mixed up. That means सभी तरह के आपको हैं and you have to learn all of it. Okay, now see the next activity, activities, effigy, effigies, ash, ashes, muscle, muscles, gate, gates, queen, queens, show, shows, statue, statues, student, students, elephant, elephants, aunt, aunts, battle, battles, habit, habits, crane, cranes, tower, towers, girl, girls, restaurant, restaurants. Okay, then house, houses, story, stories, bench, benches, lake, lake, palace, palaces, weapon, weapons, organizations, organizations, park, parks, king, kings, group, groups, festival, festivals, garden, gardens, life, lives, train, trains, fort, forts, sword, swords. Okay students, so these are for your practice, and now at the down you can see there are exercise number 1. Fill in the blank space with the plural form of the word given in the bracket against each sentence given below. Like you can see here are some sentences and you have to fill up to make plural from the word given in the bracket. Like number 1, books on religion and culture are like instruction. Booklet, that means booklet का plural होगा booklets. A herd of dash passed through that area. Elephant, elephants. The rat started biting the ropes. They end up bleeding. Miserable, lives like Roshan Lal. Life का plural हो जाएगा lives. Who has thrown these bits of paper? Very good, my children. We should help in our household activities. Great women have lived in the Chittorgarh palace. Woman, the plural of woman is women. Many festivals are celebrated in India. Festivals. The effigies were shot by Lord Rama. Okay. Now see at the next page. There were many benches under the banyan tree. Chittor is famous for its palaces. Our brave warriors have fought many battles against the foreign invaders. Battles. Chewing tobacco and gutka are bad habits. The Bhil were armed with weapons. The fort had many entrance gates. Smoking affected our lungs and muscles. The rats heard the loud cries of elephant. Many great men have taken birth in Mewar. Okay, all of us have wonderful minds and bodies. So students, you notice कि we make plural to fill in the blanks word which is given in front of it. Okay, so you have to do exercises only in the book and you have to learn singular plural from the book. Thank you.